Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project. It is known for its unique mobile mining approach. Pi Network is on the verge of launching its open mainnet. This is a big step for the project. It means moving from a closed network to an open one. The Pi Network community is excited about this change. The open mainnet is important. It marks the full launch of a blockchain network. With an open mainnet, real-world transactions are possible. This leads to wider adoption of the cryptocurrency. Understanding the mainnet is key to understanding Pi Network. Pi Network wants to make cryptocurrency accessible. The mobile mining approach is easy to use. People can mine Pi on their phones. This sets Pi Network apart from other cryptocurrencies. The open mainnet launch will be a major event in the crypto world. Pi Network has gone through several phases of development. The recent Testnet 2 update was important. This update improved the testing process. It will ensure a smoother transition to the mainnet. Before the open mainnet launches, Pi Network needs to calculate the remaining mineable Pi. This is vital for transparency. It also helps manage the scarcity of the cryptocurrency. This scarcity is expected to affect the future value of Pi. The network has faced challenges. For example, the network had to resolve blocked applications. It also had to address systemic issues. Overcoming these challenges shows that Pi Network is resilient. The team is committed to building a strong ecosystem. Stellar recently launched Protocol 22 on its mainnet. This is a good example for Pi Network. This upgrade improved Stellar in a number of ways. It made transactions more efficient. It also improved scalability and user experience. For instance, transactions are now faster and more secure. Stellar's approach to this upgrade was thorough. It involved extensive testing. The team also focused on improvements for developers. This careful approach is a valuable lesson for Pi Network. The success of Protocol 22 shows how important preparation is. Community engagement is also crucial for a smooth transition. Pi Network is aiming for a December 31, 2024 open mainnet launch. This date could change, but it is a significant goal for the project. The open mainnet launch is expected to have a major impact on Pi. It could affect its value, adoption, and place in the crypto market. HTX Exchange has confirmed it will list Pi Coin. This is a positive sign. It shows that Pi Network is gaining acceptance. This listing will make it easier to convert Pi to cash. This will benefit both businesses and users. Pi Network has big plans. The network wants to be more than just a payment system. It aims to change industries. These include retail, finance, and gaming. It wants to create a decentralized global payment network. However, the crypto market is competitive. Pi Network will face challenges. It will need to find opportunities in the market. Engaging with the Pi Network community is important. Users and investors need to stay informed about the project.